Hi guys, welcome to Be Codewala. I welcome you to my new amazing tutorial, and in this tutorial I am going to show you an amazing platform that provide the UI kit to build your video calling application with the low code. So this website provide us the UI kit to build our video calling application, so no need to build from the ground up. So let's explore this website. So here you can see that it provides 20 plus UI kits. It is open source and 50 plus components and the cross platform. So it will work on Android, Apple, Windows and other platforms. So and it will be ready to use and it is easy to customization. And not only this, it provides testing tool, MVP and all the app plugins. So here you can see that we have a this feature like less time consuming, economical and focus on core. You can see that add a video calling with website with a 10 line of code and click on this link. It will redirect it to stock builds, and here you can see that it will run this small line of project and our video calling application will be ready. So don't worry, I'm going to show you from the scratch how we can build our video calling application for any using React, Angular, Vue and all. So I'm going to show you using React, and here you can see that we can click on join room. Here you can enter your name like V Codewala, and you can click and join. Here we have a personal link, so you can share with the anybody. Here I'm going to close my mic, and here you can see that the video calling application is working totally fine. So we can just leave the call and you can rejoin, and you can see that it has been rejoined. So we are going to build all these things using React, so don't worry. So till now we can explore all this. So here you can see that it provide the UI based component for any use case, and it is ready to use for the Android, iOS, React Native and Flutter. And here we can change our the video layouts and room in message and face verification and the call invitation feature. We have a one more feature like you can see that one-to-one call, group call, video conference, live streaming, live audio room, and in-app chat. And you can see that in one-to-one call, we have a call invitation, low latency video, device detection, direct call, and network detection, and clear audio. In group call, we have all these features and 100 plus attendee support, and it has been working on the all the cross platform like web, Android, iOS, React Native, Flutter, and we can build video conferencing and with the chat live, and you can see that the screen sharing and all the other extra feature like we have a live streaming with the HD video with low bit rate, and you can see that we can explore all these things. And you can see that all this UI kit has been shown here. So we are going to build a video calling application that we have this video calling. So you can click on this learn more, and you can see that it will say start building. So when you click on start building, it will redirect it to a page where you have to create your account. So if you come to the registration page, you can see that here we have to fill our details. On the left side you can see that it has showing that quick integration with the few lines of code and with the 30 minutes, and here we have a free credits, and it will provide the 10,000 free minutes, and we have a platform compatibility for the Apple, Android, Web, Flutter, Native, Windows and more. So here first of all we are going to create our account. So here I can write like B first name and last name B Kodwala, and here we can select your region like I am from India, so I can select from India. Then we can write your email like bkodwala@gmail.com. Here we can enter your password, and here you can see that we can check all this and click on get code. So when you click on get code, you have to fill this captcha for the verification for the first time. So please click on two elements that are identical. So we have to click two elements that are identical. So I am going to select that, click on next, and here click two elements that are identical. So just we have to verify this captcha to get the code. So after verification, our code will be sent to the our email. So wait for the email. So you can check your email that you have entered the email that you have entered here in the work email. In that email we will get a code. So we have to copy and paste that code for the verification of our email. And after pasting your code and password, email and the region and the first and last name, you have to click on start your free trial. So it will create your account. So within a few seconds you will be ready to use the ZegoCloud UI Kit. So here it will redirect to the console of the ZegoCloud. So here you can write about yourself. So like I am write like B Codewala influencer, and here I don't have my company website, so I leave as blank, or otherwise uh, if we have a company website you can write it here, but if you don't have, it is not necessary to fill that. So I'm going to select as a engineering, and here I can select the industry here, and industry will be IT, technology and service. Here you have to select your code for the country code, like I am from the India, so my country code is 91, and here you have to write your phone number. So after filling all this detail, we have to redirect it to the dashboard, and you can see that it provides 10,000 minutes on the first free trial, and it has a expiry date also. So that, and here we can in-app chat and advanced support plan also, so you can check it out. So after that we have to click on the go to dashboard button, and it will be redirected to the dashboard. So then click on the create new project. So I'm going to create a video voice call. Okay, so I'm going to select that and scroll down and click on next. So before that you can see that uh, let's again I am to create voice video call. You can see the video conference, live streaming, live audio room, in-app chat and the custom app, and the one-to-one tutoring, live shopping, gaming, streaming, watch together, and many features that is provided by the ZegoCloud. So you can go and check it out. But in this video I'm going to tell you how you can build your video calling application. So click on next, then we have to write your project name. So I'm going to write ZegoCloud. Here I have written my project name. After writing your project name, scroll down and click on start with the UI kits, and when you click on it, it will create the UI kit for you, and it will provide some secret key that we are going to use in your React application to build our video calling application. So let's wait for second. It is creating our all the necessary details for our project. And after that click on start building your app. So you can see that it will be redirected to this page, and in this page we have to select our framework. So I am going to build for the web. So I can select the web, and you can see that it will be redirected to this page. Here you can select one-to-one or group call. So I'm going to make a group call. You can enable camera, microphone, audio setting, screen recording, and you can see that we can change the grid. You can see that how we want to display. So I'm going to use all this extra feature. So I'm going to use the grid and enable microphone, enable camera, and below down click on save and start to integrate. So after clicking on this, it will be redirected to this page, and you can click on allow your microphone and the camera. So after allowing, you can see that we have redirected to this page, and you can see that I have to. So here you can mute your microphone, camera, so both functionality is working totally fine. You can check it out, and here you can see that here in the setting you can change the everything. So here I like because and click on join, and when you click on join, you can see that it's working totally fine. So you can see that get the config file and integrate. So click on this, and here you can see that all the configuration has been given here. But before that, you can see that in run your web app you have to download. So I'm going to show you how to set up your React application with the Vite. And in the Vite we are going to integrate our ZEGOCLOUD to make our video calling application. With this app id, we'll get a app id. We have to copy that app id and the server secret. So we need to secret key to build our video calling application. So first of all, I have to go to the ZEGOCloud.com docs. So here we will find the docs how we can build our video calling application. So here on quick start we will see the using HTML. So here you can see that the HTML, how we can integrate your video calling application using HTML. Then we have a node package manager, like you can use the React, Next.js, Angular, Vue. You can integrate all with this all these frameworks and technology using WordPress and all. So I'm going to show you how we can integrate our video calling application with the help of the this node package manager. So first of all, we have to make our React application. So to make that, we have to go to the desktop. We will create a new folder, Zigo Cloud. So I created a new folder and open in your any code editor, like I am using the VS Code terminal, like. And here you have to, after importing your folder, you have to open your terminal. Click on new terminal, it will open your new terminal. We are going to set up our React application. So to create our React application, we can use npm create with @latest and press enter. When you write this line of command, it will ask the project name. So I'm going to create our all the folder in the Zigo Cloud. So I'm going to use just press dot, and our folder will be created. All the files will be in the Zigo Cloud, this folder. So here I have to select the framework. So you go to the down the third option, React. So I'm going to use React, and with the JavaScript I'm going to JavaScript. So after that, you can see that our all the necessary file have been imported, but we don't have node modules. So npm install. So it will install all the necessary node modules for our React application, and let's wait for the installation. So you can see that all the packages has been installed for our React application. You can see that the node modules is now present in your folder. So after that, we have to start your React app. So npm run dev. So you have to type this command and press enter. So our project will run on the localhost 5173. So you can see that our project is totally running. Now we have to integrate our video calling application in this React appli. So to integrate our video calling application, first of all we have to go to this documentation. You can see that I have show you on the quick start. We have to select the npm package manager, and here we have to install this SDK. So go to the VS Code, and I am going to install our SDK. So here we have to copy and paste our SDK. So from here we can select copy this SDK npm ZEGOCLOUD UI Kit pre-built. So it provide pre-built UI kit to build your video calling application. So you can see that our Zigo Cloud UI kit has been installed in your application, and you can check here also in the package.json our Zigo Cloud UI kit has been installed. So after that go to the src file, and here we have a app.jsx. So here we have to write your all code. So first of all we go to the documentation, and the documentation is saying first we have to generate key token. So already we have all the token here in our dashboard. When you create your new project you will get a app id and the server secret. So we will use this server secret and app id. So before that we have to, here we are using React, so we have to select React. Then all this code you can see that we have to just copy all this code, okay, and go to the VS Code, and we have to paste it here, right? But it will show error, so we have to fix this. So here it is asking for the app id here. So go to the your when you create your project we'll get a app id, right? So copy that app id and paste here. So don't copy and paste your app id with the double quotation. App id is in number, so don't try to put in the double quotation. Your server secret will be in the double quotation. So copy and paste here your server secret and the app id. After pasting your app id and server secret, let's go to the our React application where we are running our application. So you can see that our video calling application is ready, and click on allow your microphone and allow your camera, and after allowing you can see that our video calling application is ready. So here I have to write the name who is joining, right? And here we have to click on join, but before that I have to copy this personal link so we can invite anybody. So here first of all I'll join here. So you can see that I have joined through this link, and I am going to join with the same link with a different name. So it is a group call application, right? So first of all I write like cast. So click on join, and you can see that the two person has been joined. So you can join multiple person, so you can share this link, right? That link that will appear when you will join the room. You can see that personal link right there. The copy this personal link and share with the anybody you want. So you can type your name and click on join. So you can see that the this video calling application is totally working fine. Here you can, we have a mic and the video button to pause and start the video. We can click on this, and you can share your screen also. This is the one more feature provided by the Geo Cloud UI Kit. You can share your screen. You can change the layout like grid and sidebar, right? You can see that it's totally working fine. So I have changed the layout. Then we have a setting also. Click on the three dot. You can set your audio setting and the video setting. All these things you can customize. And not only this, you can see that the 3 person has been joined. You can see that all these three function, and after this you can message and chat to everybody, hi. So it will send by the Deepak, and you can go to the other link and you can see the message, the dot, you can see that the some message has been appear here. So click on this, you can see that we got the message from the Deepak, and other person also can see the here the message appear by the Deepak. So this is the video calling application, and you can cancel your video calling application, you can rejoin the room also, right? And it is totally working fine. Not only this, you can go to the code and you can customize all these things. This how we have setted our GeoCloud in our React application, right? You can go to the documentation, you can set up using Next.js, Angular, Vue, HTML, and WordPress, all these things, and it provides pre-built UI components, and you can just go and use it and create your video calling application and other application for the different cross platform within a second. And you can configure the all these things like turn on microphone, camera, and all these things like toggle button, audio, and maximum you can set the how many user can allow, and all the scenario like group call. So here you can see that we have a group call down there. So here is a Geo UI Kit. So here you can see the Geo UI Kit pre-built group call. So this is the group call. You can write here one-to-one call. One. So it provides different features like project management. Here click on the project, you can manage your GeoCloud project that we have created. Here all the necessary, your project name, app id, status, region, and the basic configuration, app sign in, server secret, callback secret, and all these things we will get. Service management, you can manage your service, video call, voice call, live streaming, and all this extra feature. And it show how to set up your all this thing with this documentation. You can read it out and build this video calling application with the different frameworks and the cross platforms. Here you can go to the analytics, you can click on analytic dashboard, and it will be directed to the analytic dashboard, and there you can see your analytics. And here we have a billing center. So for the first time you will get the 10,000 minutes, and after that we can buy your more minutes of video call. So you can go and buy it, and you can click on upgrade, and you can see that the first free trial, you can see that free uses, and you can buy one time purchase and talk to sales. So all this extra feature. So you can see that with the 2 lakhs minute per year, you can see that with the $139 only, and you can save your 74%. And account upgrade, one-to-one integration support, and dedicated support channel. So all these plans also provided by the GeoCloud. So when you register for the first time, you will get the 10,000 minutes video calling application, and go to the dashboard. You will get all the project that we have created, and balance overview, advanced support plan, guide, explore, community. You can click on the UI kit, and you can see that you can explore all the UI. On the console of the GeoCloud, we will get your all the details like how many free minutes and when it will expire, and advanced plan support. So go to the help center, we will get the one-to-one support by the GeoCloud, and here you can get the guides for the API reference, and you can read the documentation, and you can build your own video calling application with this GeoCloud. And you can see that we are on the, and you can check your usage statistics, and you can see that with the app id select the item, and currently we are using for the first time, so there is no record. So you can go to the bill and payment, you can check your bill and payment and all. So it provide many features, right? So you can go to it provide API testing also, and CDN recording, stream control, and the you can you can read it all this documentation for the different platform. It provide all the, you can see that with the different with the Android, Java, Kotlin, Swift, Electron, React Native, Windows, Unity, Linux. You can see that it works almost every platform. So you can create with your any favorite cross platform, and we can integrate voice call, video call, live streaming, in-app chat, and many more. And go to the documentation, you'll get the all the video calling documentation, how to create your voice call voice call one to one, and click on the find out more, and will be redirected to this documentation. You can read the documentation and integrate within, and you can see that the YouTube video also is appearing here, so you can check out the this video, and you can easily set up. It is very easy to set up, and you have seen that with a few lines of code in our React application we have set it our Zigo Cloud, right? So, and you can invite any member or co-worker with you to use the benefit of the Zigo Cloud to get the 10,000 minutes. And you can see the help center, you can get the full support from the Zigo Cloud, and here you can check out your profile, team management, and all these things, and you can track your all the data. So Cloud provide different, and you can go and create your new one more project, live streaming, audio, one-on-one tutorial, game setting, and all. And we will get many features with the statics, bill, balance, payment, prepare, and all this next up feature. It provide development tool, push debugging tool, token tool, and many feature. So this all these feature provided by the Zigo Cloud, and start guide by the documentation, right? Here you can change to video call or other feature, right? Like live streaming, voice, in-app chat, and all. Create an Android project. After creating, we have to set up all this configuration, and you can build for the cross platform, and go and create your own video calling application using your favorite platform and frameworks. So you can use the Geo Cloud for the building your video calling application, and it provide the UI support, AI support. You can search, and here we have a authentication by the Go Cloud, and all this feature will get, and you can see that the generate token for your app server, and here we have a call invitation feature, customize UI for the call, and we have a also the pre-built feature like screen sharing, limit the number of participants. Here you can configure all these things. So go to this documentation, Zigo Cloud Docs UI Kit, and I'll give all these links in the description. So go and check it out, and here resume call, and in-room message, call back on the joining room and leaving. And not only this, it provide the whiteboard. You can use whiteboard and video resolution, and you can set your avatar. And not only this, invite through a link. You can customize the link also. So all this feature provided by the ZEGOCLOUD. And not only this, with the Java, Swift, Dart, and the React Native, many features are provided by the ZEGOCLOUD. You can go and check it out here. You can see that like it and install, integrate, and in it provide dynamic layout, in room message, fish beautification. All these things I have explained you, right? You can check the code like for the React Native, Flutter, and all these things, right? And one-to-one call, direct call, and many feature with this. So we have to write very low code, and we will get the fully functional working your video calling application, live streaming, and many more. So go and check out. I'll paste the link of this cool website on my description. Go and click and register yourself and get the benefit of 10,000 minutes. So go and check out the link and in the description and register yourself and make your video calling application right now. So thanks for watching.